Hello, welcome to PowerProbe's PowerPoint presentation on how to upload sales receipts into the new RMA portal. Let's begin by going to your search bar and type powerprobe.com. Once in the website, click Agree here for a better website experience. Next, over the Support tab, click Warranty and Repair. This will bring you to the sign-in page. Now, for those customers and distributors that have sent in a tool without an RMA, we took the liberty of creating an account for you. Simply put your email here, and for the password, select password and the numerical number 1. This will allow you to sign in. If you don't have an account, take a minute or two, fill out the fields here. Just be sure that you have the right email and come back and sign in. This will bring you to the Home RMA page. To create a new RMA, click New RMA. Then proceed down to the Product Data area. This is where you put all your customers' information in. Come to the first drop box, select the tool, enter the serial number. If one is not present, type no serial number. Next, select who the tool belongs to. Just type the name in, or you can put an RTAG number here. Next, you need to determine if the tool is within warranty. If it is, click Yes, and this will automatically require you to upload that sales receipt so that we can verify the warranty. Select Choose File, and this will open up to where that receipt or picture of that receipt is stored. Once you locate it, double-click on it, and it will populate into this field. At this point, you have successfully uploaded your sales receipt. Just a few more steps, guys. Here, select the issue that you're having with the tool. Put a brief description in here in this field describing the issue with the tool. And then we ask that you read over the RMA terms and conditions. Once you accept those terms and conditions, you can submit that file. And here you'll see all of the list of RMAs that you created. In order to see the correspondence regarding this tool, you will need to click on the number itself. If you're still having trouble and you wasn't able to upload the sales receipt, you can text HELP to 657-246-7895. Thanks for being a PowerProbe supporter. Have a good day.